Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate text on the CapCut PC. So here, I'm going to just add the text first to my videos. Here, you can just change the default text. Okay, I'm going to just write it like this. You can change the font to the one you want. Okay, I'm going to use this phone, and after that, to animate it, you can just go to the animations tab at the top and then choose the animate that you want. You can choose any animations that you want, but if you are on the pre-CapCut, you cannot choose the pro one. So I'm going to just choose the free one, for example the stroke fill animation. So the text will become like this. Okay, that is the stroke fill. You can also add the out animation if you want. That's for the in. And the out, for example, slide down. Okay, and this will be the final result for the text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.